Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. First, let's go into Facebook. By the way, there are a few reasons why you may not be able to add someone as a friend. For example, if that person has blocked you in the past. For example, if I should tap on menu right here and scroll down and select settings, then scroll down and you'll see blocking. If the person has blocked you, you won't be able to add them as a friend. And also, if you had sent them a friend request in the past and they denied your friend request, you won't be able to add them. And also, if they're a public figure, more than likely when it comes to Facebook, you won't be able to add them as a friend. You're only able to follow persons that are public figures or very popular on Facebook. So unfortunately, there is no workaround on how to fix add friend on Facebook. The only suggestion that I could give is you could message that person and then tell them that you would like to add them as a friend or so on. And that's it. Unfortunately, there is no workaround. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.